Morning people, today I'm going to teach you how to make Brinjal Tawa Fry or the big brinjal pan fry. It's yum. It can be had as a snack or with your food. I'm using two, you can use one. There's some rice flour, just plain rice flour, turmeric powder, garam masala, cumin powder, the homemade chili powder, which is 2 spoons of coriander powder and 1 spoon of red chili powder, and then some salt to taste. These are the ingredients you will need to make this really yummy dish. First step is you cut up these brinjal slices. Make sure that they're a little thick, otherwise, because the thing is when it leaves the water, it will become too flat and soggy. So cut them a little thicker, soak them in the water, and then dry pat them with a towel. These are now dry patted with a towel, and I'm going to marinate this with turmeric and salt. That's it, just turmeric and salt. Spread it around evenly and marinate them. As you can tell, I'm spreading these out with my hands and just making sure that the salt rubs onto each one. What's going to happen is that the brinjal is going to leave the water out. It's going to relieve some water from it, and then all this is actually going to become a little soft and mushy. When you're doing it, you might not feel like, oh, there's enough water. Do not add water. There's water in the brinjal that's going to come out. So I'm going to leave this around for around 10 to 15 minutes before I make my next paste with the rice powder, the garam masala, the cumin powder, and dip it in that and then do a tawa fry. It's been roughly around 20 minutes. Can you see the water? It's left the water like I said. Okay, now we're going to take a glass of rice flour. To that, I'm going to add a spoon of garam masala, a spoon of cumin powder, a spoon of red chili powder, and salt to taste. Just a little bit because we've already marinated with salt, so don't add too much. This is just for the rice flour to get it, okay? I've mixed all the spices here in a plate. Use a large bowl of plate so that you can coat these nicely. And then I have a tawa here with some oil that's preheated. I'm just going to go and put it on there. So I'm going to show you one more before I do the others by myself. Make sure that you dab it nicely, tap off the excess, and then go place it on the tawa slowly. I put all the brinjals patted with the powder. I'm going to add a little bit of oil, and then keep it in slow, and then just let it fry. Once one side is done, then I'm going to flip it over to the other side. As you can tell, one side is done. I flip them over, and then I'm going to add oil to the other side. I might switch this one because it's a little bit overdone. Move that to the side, and then maybe move this one to the side and move that to the center. Use your own judgment when it comes to frying, and yeah, keep it on slow, okay? Don't put it on fast because the rice flour will get burnt really quickly otherwise. These are now nicely done. See, both sides. I'm going to move it to a container and put on the next batch. Once they're all done, the brinjal fry is ready. It goes well with rice. You can even have it as a snack if you want. I like it with my regular dal chawal or even curd rice for that matter. So enjoy.